Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I groom and shape my eyebrows.
Quick disclaimer, I am not saying that you should go and do this. I mean you can,
But
do it on your own risk. Alright? Not say that Shatefa say to make you do your eyebrow like this, okay?
so what I do, I normally relax my eyebrows because my eyebrows can be a bit crimpy at the ends. And if you want to have decent eyebrows, then you have to have them straight enough.
If you're liking my headband, I'll put the tag for the girl who does them here right here. So you can go and check her out on Instagram.
So some quick tools you will be needing are disposable spoolies. I get these off Amazon. It's not expensive. I get like the packs of them so I can always throw them away afterwards. You'll need your little eyebrow comb as well. Some people use the short eyebrow tools that you can hold on so you can clean your eyebrows, but I prefer a razor blade. It is easier to me because I've been using a razor blade for years. So you'll need a paleta stick as well, or you can just use your fingers, but apply the relaxer. I usually do a paleta stick. Tissue or wipes, anyone can work, whichever one works fine for you. Also, you'll be needing a brow gel, a clear brow gel, that is a clear one, so those brows can stay intact, and your scissors for trimming. Your relaxer, I use Africa's Best organic hair oil relaxer because I think this is like the best, and it's not too strong, so I prefer this type.
That is basically all you need, so let's jump right into this video.
I'll just put my hair at the back because if relaxer touches my hair, I'm about to lose it.
So what I normally start off doing is just wiping off any type of excess dirt or sweat or oils or like brow pomade off my eyebrows before I start.
So now you get your disposable spoolie and brush your hair upwards.
Also try to keep all your hair apart so it doesn't get in the way, like keep it apart.
Then I get my paleta stick. I get like this amount of product on it,
And I just apply it on my eyebrows. Keep in mind, do not take too long on this because you have another eyebrow to do. You want to do it as quickly as possible. So what I do, I just do two of them at the same time instead of wasting time brushing through one. Yeah. Instead of wasting time brushing through one eyebrow, do the both of them and get it over with.
With another disposable spoolie, I'll just brush that through. Keep in mind, I'm not using these spoolies again. Like, I'm just throwing it away after this. Please do not, if you try this at home, keep your natural hair away from it. And that is it. That is how I apply my relaxer on my brows. I leave this on for about 5 minutes and then I wash it off. So I'll just set my timer. Also, if you try this at home and it begins to burn you, wash it off ASAP. Do not wait until that 5 minutes is up. Get it off your face, like, get it off. Now my 5 minutes are up. It's time to get this shit off. So I get a piece of tissue and I just wipe it away. Remember, wipe it downwards instead of like wipe it straight across because it will get in your hair. We can't afford that today. Look at that. Damn. Look at that. Like, so now that I've wiped it off, I'll just give it a quick rinse just to make sure all the product is off. I've washed off everything off my eyebrows, so now I'll just give it another wipe to get the water off, and then we'll start with the cleaning.
You don't see how straight my eyebrows are? Like, it's so much easier to clean this way. Like, it's so much easier. Like, look at that. Look at that.
And now I'll get a lotion and apply it to my eyebrows. Some use powder, some use lotion. I prefer lotion. So I'll just get my spoolie and now I'll comb upwards. With my scissors, I'll go ahead and give it a trim. Just like that. I'll go back and comb it downwards. And I won't trim all this off, I'll just trim like the tiny ends of it. Get my tissue and just wipe that off. And I'll repeat it for the same side. Okay, so now my eyebrows are relaxed, they are trimmed. It is time to clean it.
The most difficult part for some of us, especially if your eyebrows have different shapes. So from a young age, my eyebrows grow upwards and the other one just grows straight. So I have different eyebrows, so it's hard to trim them and clean them how I want to have them.
Get my blade. If you don't know how to use a blade, then you can just stick to the eyebrow tool, which is much easier. I just prefer a blade. Now I'll start with cleaning the top because it's much easier to clean the top than starting from the bottom.
Now we're here. Start from the bottom, not the whole thing. Anyways.
So yeah, I'll brush it downwards. I usually just lift my forehead a bit so it has that smooth glide against my skin. I glide down. Wipe off and then brush upwards now. This is a tricky part. What I normally do is I lift from here. I just glide across.
I start off like all the way outside. Then if I think it's still not clean enough, then I move inwards. Instead of starting inwards and then it's too thin and you can't do anything about it.
And for this part, I usually separate it from the bunch. Then I can see like where the line is heading. So that's how I usually clean the areas, right there.
Here, I'm just going a little bit more. Right there.
Y'all will not believe what just happened. My phone got overheated. It just stopped recording. So I will have to continue this video on my iPhone 8. Which isn't too bad, you know. You can record a video on an iPhone 6 and it will still look amazing. You just need proper lighting. Okay, so I'm back on my iPhone 8. It's been a while. I haven't filmed anything on here for years. I love feathered brows, so I always comb them out. For some reason, I just love it. On this side, let's get it on. Yo, please don't clean off your baby hairs. Like, just don't. I do my left eyebrow with my left hand. I don't know if y'all can do that, but if you can't, please just do it with your right hand. I just prefer my left. So now I'm back on my other phone. Now I'm done with my left brows. So that's what they both look like right now. Now I'm going to do the middle part, my unibrow. This eyebrow has a lot more shape than my right eyebrows, so it will come out much more shapy than my right. My left has a more boxy shape and my right is just... I have two different eyebrows, people. So that is how I clean my brows. The last step I do, like I said, I like feathered brows, so I get my brow gel. I swipe it up. Then with my spoolie, I just swipe it across. Get a little bit of lotion for the middle part and like around the area that you clean. And that is it. That is how I relax, trim, and groom my eyebrows. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.